Hi friends, in this chapter we will learn how to earn online with AutoCAD Civil 3D. It's our last chapter of AutoCAD Civil 3D complete course. So as you have learned everything about real-time land development projects, so now it's time to reveal that how can we earn with AutoCAD Civil 3D online. I will reveal some methods to you which can be used to generate a handsome revenue with AutoCAD Civil 3D. There are many ways to earn money online with any skill like Civil 3D. I will just talk about major sources, but later you can apply them as per your conditions and you can get more ways. So in this chapter, we will learn how to earn online from freelancing platform. We have many freelancing platform. We will check one by one all of them. And then we will learn how to earn online from social media like Facebook, LinkedIn, Instagram, everything. We will look one by one. You will get knowledge about teaching, that how can you teach online and earn money. Then another thing, it's also same like teaching which can be used by YouTube. You can earn online using YouTube for AutoCAD Civil 3D. So as you know, every business going to take online presence. That's why many companies and institutions need some professional to represent them online with effective presence. These companies and institutions search for experts on daily basis to help them in upcoming projects. Usually they use freelancing platform. We will dive first with freelancing platform one by one. So if you want to learn how to earn money online using freelancing platform like Fiverr, Upwork, Guru.com and freelancing.com, then watch my next videos of these